Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, this is Asma from Asma's Baking and Cooking Classes. This is our advanced flavors and decorations class. It is done here, and we have covered all this decoration and flavors in this class. And this is online class. Wherever you are, you want to do this class, you can do anytime, anywhere. And I'll show you what I covered in this class. Okay. So this is our pina colada flavor. Look at the shine of this. We have given this marble effect. See the shine of the cake. This is a geode decoration and the cake is Ferrero Rocher. We have given the side also geode effect, and the color of cake is black and red. Choco berry with matte finish. Italian cassata with basket, half open basket design. How to put this flowers in the basket, how to make this basket. Cookies and cream. See the shine of the cake, the texture of the cake, the flower, everything we showed in the class how to get this effect. Two tier cake, that is a cappuccino walnut flavor, so gave two tier effect. So we made this two tier. The upper layer is for golden and the down layer is a frill. We have given the frills to here. How to make this frill. Now this is rabdi faluda. This is a fusion cake with a different texture. See the texture, see the flower, the design of the flower. This is Kaju Malai. We showed the faulty line over here and we covered the window faulty line with the photo sheet. So here the photo sheet and we covered the window effect faulty line. Okay. This is amazing flavor red velvet. See the shine of the cake. And this is, you can say, tiger print or web print. See how it comes so nicely. Bounty flavor, very amazing flavor and very amazing flavor. Everyone love this cake. See the texture, the color of the cake, the flowers of the cake. Choco blueberry cheesecake. Here we showed the anti-gravity. The theme of anti-gravity is here. How to put this anti-gravity can, how to put the colors on it, how to give the texture, everything we showed in this. This is our pan flavor money cake, and these are the flowers decoration we covered in the class. You can see all the flowers are different and very amazing flowers are there. This is the pan bahar flavor, and here the you can remove the money from that. When you pull the topper, the all money will come out. You can make this surprise cake also, we showed in the class. So this class is ready and the fees of the class is just 1250 rupees. You can do the class from anywhere from the world. You can take the class just online. You have to just call us or WhatsApp us on the number as 9967273731. So this all class is for advanced flavors and decoration cake, and we are on YouTube as Asma's Baking and Cooking Classes. So please subscribe our channel so you'll get the details of the class.